What's up, y'all? So I'm back. I'm doing a little fix job on Lexi because living in Michigan, I'm starting to see some rust spots, and here's what I see. You see that? This just started. Well, this was kind of here when I got the car. So I'm on. Here's the stuff I got. Bondo, masking tape. Of course, I gotta clean all that area out. Stuff for it, and rag to clean that area up. And a drill sander. So I'm just gonna sand this area down and sand all that shit down. Bondo all that shit. This is just a temporary fix because the metal under is still hard. So I'm gonna Bondo it. Sand it down, Bondo it. This whole area. So I'm gonna get started on that. Sanding some shit down. As you can see, I sanded the rust down in there. That's why Bondo is key when you're doing this shit. Now, I'm not no professional in doing this, and I'm not that really good in doing it, but I know enough to. I'm probably gonna have to redo this shit soon, because again, Michigan. But I'm taking care of it now, and I'll probably revisit this sometime in the fall. Take this wheel off and actually get under here, but I did knock this back straight because it was bent out a little bit, so it's straight enough, and the metal is still good. I sand it down some more, but yeah, throw some Bondo on this right quick. All right, so that is dry and ready to be sanded down. You ain't got to worry about how much you put in there because it can always be sanded down to the way you want. So I lay them on thick and then sand it to the way I want it, to the body of this. So I'm going to go get a better sander than this drill. I just needed that to sand down the rust spots. And I'm probably going to use an electric sander, and for down here, use one of them hand sanders to do down there. Tape it up, paint it so no paint won't get up there. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Alright, so here's that. Like I said, I am not no pro in doing this. I'm just trying to make a temporary fix for right now. So yeah. Sander and all that shit. Wore that one down. So I'm just gonna give some little going downwards. You know, like I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to have overspray. So I'm gonna start from here and then see how that turns out. So just about done. I'm gonna have to revisit this because I seen some spots that needs to be refilled. Yeah, because my brother's car, man, need to change his brakes. I guess they went out again. So we need to do that. I'll wrap this up and just do this another sunny day or whatever. Getting tired. This will do though. So I'm gonna pull everything off and let you see it. Like I said, I am not no pro in doing this, but this is a temporary fix. So that kind of got some overspray down there. I'm just gonna get a little gasoline and wipe that off. You know, it'll come off with some gas. Wipe that bottom part off. But yeah, let this dry. Pull that off. See, you got like there, so and there. But other than that, it looked way better than it did before. Like I said, I'm not no pro, but you know that'll hold up for now. So it's good enough. So if you go back and rewind it, you'll see what it looked like before, and that's what it looked like now. It'll do. You still can kind of see there, but whatever. Here, can't really tell too much, especially from back here. So, yeah, it'll do it. That's gone, so no overspray down there. Now that ain't 100% even, but fuck it. I gotta sand that down more. I didn't feel like taking that wheel off and all that shit. Like I said, it's just a temporary fix, so I will try to get better on my Bondo and painting. Like I said, I haven't done this in years, so I'm actually getting back into it for reasons because of this damn thing. But my uncle is much better than doing it. Now get out the light. When he do it, that shit be looking like the body shop did it. He do a damn good job. He kind of showed me the ropes of how to do it a little bit when I had got my van, because it was a big ass thing that needed to be patched up. So he showed me a little bit of how to do that. So I ain't did this in years. I'm still trying to get better in doing this shit, but hey, it's temporary. It'll work. All right, so till next time. Peace.